Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail on the bottom right corner. As you can see, the focus of this video is my driving robot discovery made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux and in this case is programmed in Python with two front sensors, active sonar, USB camera for grabbing images using OpenCV, two battery packs and a propeller to indicate that the algorithm is running, and a lamp to indicate a change in trajectory. Last time I found that some problems with driving were probably caused by missing pieces in the algorithm where it comes to distance. So if I change the position of the camera a little bit, then it is clear that these objects also made of fischertechnik have to be approached. And using this measurement lint, it shows that it is about 50 centimeters. And last time I found out that certain distances were not covered in the algorithm. So that is a topic to improve that and see if that really does make a difference in driving this robot, apart from higher start velocity because of the increased weight because of these two battery packs. Anyway, change to screencast now, the algorithm. So screencast with RoboPro for checking the battery status, and this is not the active battery pack, which is this one, 8,6, and that's a little bit under par because usually it is 9, but it has been running for a bit. Then obviously the coder, terminal for output, and here I receive all the grabbed images, but that is for later. Let me scroll down because, like I said, it's all about distances now. And skip contact. Which is a lot of code, by the way, and here it starts with 55 to 60. Then I get 60-35. So everything being steps of 5, I need 35 to 40, 40 to 45, etc., etc. So if I enlarge this window, then it works faster if I copy every part of it and give it just the appropriate distances, if it works out. So let's see. So this is just 50 to 55, 2 laps to go, which is 45 to 40 and 35 to 40. Well, you understand what I mean. Alright, I have finished the 45 to 50 now, with 2 laps to go, being 35 to 40 and 40 to 45, but right now I have also now some battery testing to do. I have by now switched on those battery packs, and it is unfortunately just 8.3 volts. This one turned out to be just when I cancel this one. Alright, anyway, this one showed 7.8, this one shows 8.3, should be enough. I can test now. If I take the measurement grid, then this is now at 45, which I put it. So if I test it, this should be working. Question is, will it work? So I have to test it from here. Hopefully the battery packs don't give in. So right now I'm at the mystery, because this is clearly within the range that it should drive. And as I pointed out, 600 is the speed. So why doesn't it drive at all? Does it drive at all at the current voltage? Because that I can test, of course. It's now 8.2. Let's try it, and then you should see something. Yeah, that is doing something. Oh, most definitely doing something. Yeah. Okay. It is trying to do something. And now it is bumping into the... okay. And now it is clearly doing something. So, yeah, the motors do work, that's clear, but why not from Python? By looking at the interface test, I see that steps 8 and 512, so I assume that that is the maximum speed. So it doesn't have much older grip. You can see this wheel is kind of I see, by the way, that if I lift it, it works much better. So now, right now, it's slipping over the axis, over the axle. So that is really a problem. Right, that is a problem. That is much better. It slips. Yeah, clearly. Okay, so that was a problem, a slipping axle, but then the question is, what does it do at 512 or 600? Because if this is maximum 512, should I go higher than 500? Let me change this to 512 then. Because clearly the weight of the battery pack is not too much for that distance or for that speed. I have to check that and change it. Okay, I have now changed the speeds from very high just to 520. let's put the robot back into position then. And at a distance of 55 should be very well acceptable. Another check for the battery packs. 80. Okay, they will give in very soon, I'm afraid. But let's just do it. See whatever happens. If something happens. Can't use that one. Okay, better. Okay. A little problem with the password. During this test, the gears connected to the motors didn't even run, so I have to do yet another speed test with the motors to see if they do actually run something with this voltage. The answer is yes, that one does. No, I have to take the right motor, of course. That one is slipping. But it's quite clear that it works out at 512. Very clearly. So, question is, why does it why doesn't it run from Python that way? And right now I don't have an answer. Once again. I have to bring this to a close, considering the voltage levels of the battery packs. Considering the change in algorithm, I didn't change the basics of the algorithm. And it has run. Not flawlessly, but it did run. So, considering the test with RoboPro that it does work, I don't know, maybe with full battery packs that it does run, but also I have to check on the gears and the whole rest, because this isn't fun to do or fun to watch. And a very short look at OpenCV result. Those are just good. And a final look at schematics. Well, final look. It's just how they operate. Nothing changed since last time. So yeah, how to continue? That's a good question. So unfortunately the changes in the algorithm didn't lead to a desired result of driving it. And RoboPro just showed that it does drive. Not my idea of testing, but anyway, it's a security that I have to use. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notifications, leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And yeah, like the video, good for the YouTube algorithm. You can also support by donating via either PayPal or Ko-fi, or by becoming a patron for as little as €2 or $2 a month. Very much appreciated as well. And this is obviously going to be continued. So for now, stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye.